On 8th or 9th October, I was sleeping because I didn't sleep properly. So my door knocked by someone. I don't know who is or by mistake or by intentional. I'm living in remote area, and it was my dream to live in remote area. Or now, some problems are here, but I will solve it. People are very cooperative here, but there is few safety measures which are not present here. I think it is not mistake. Someone really knocked the door, and if he knows me, I think we are living in India, or I am in village. People are belongs to like a village culture, and they are very conservative. There are many public places, restaurants, make appointment and do a phone call, or and on Sundays I'm thinking about going out for 2-3 hours and for my meetings. But meeting should be a purpose, like business, like topics which we can discuss. I think this will be of any person without any reason, and we don't know, and I don't know if that is by mistake or by intention.